single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great.
May GlamEgo box is here, so am I. I really like the products this time as well, so let's begin with the review. The star product of this time has to be this Bella Voste lipstick. The shade name is Legendary and the color payoff is awesome. This type of red colors are worn in summers, guys. A perfect blend of pink and red. If you don't have this red color in your collection, guys, you're missing out, trust me. My second favorite product from the lot is Bella Voste nail paint. I'll give you a quick tip right away. You can see it's such a beautiful color, and the tip is just apply one coat of it. This face wash is specially for summers as it removes excess oil on your skin. In summers, we develop excess oil on our face, especially on our T-zone. This helps to remove that throughout the day. This night cream is doing wonders on my skin, guys. I'm giving you a review after using the products. You can see the consistency of the cream and it does not even have any bad odor. Last product is this lip scrub. It's so yummy. Haha, you don't have to eat it, but yes, it's nice. It does make your lips look so plumpy and pink. This time you are even getting date with mom. Just upload a picture of you and your mom on Facebook or Instagram, and if your picture gets selected, you will get a date with your mom. Here I take your leave, guys. Stay happy, stay filmy, and stay beautiful.